Be So Creative, and I'm here to tell you about one of my favorite items. This is heat press batting together is what it's called. It's a nice tape that you can put batting pieces together so that you can use all your batting scraps when need be. And it's very easy to use, and it goes a lot quicker than trying to sew your batting pieces together. Let me show you how. The batting tape has a shiny side, and it has a side with little bumps on it. This is the side that you want to put down because that is going to bond to your batting. And what you do is you take two pieces of your batting, put them together, make a straight edge, put them together, lay your batting tape across it, and just press with the iron. You only have to do one side, and there you have it, a nice big piece of batting. So no more waste with your batting, and heat press is the name of the product. Enjoy.